I'm in China, Jingxi, Nanchang right now. As you can see, so many stores are closed. So I guess there is some truth behind it in China. The economy is going down and everything is bad. Oh, guys, yeah. You can see it's true that so many stores are actually closed. That's caused because it's Chinese New Year. That's the reason behind it. And you will see way more. Like I just saw it and I thought like I show it to you because I know some people, some YouTubers will show it and say, "Oh, everything is going down." No, guys, it's Chinese New Year, so that means many people are leaving the cities and go to their hometowns and home villages, and they are leaving for 1 or 2 weeks. So many employers are left without employees, without staff, or just like with very little staff. So they are opening up very late, also because bigger cities now suddenly have less people. And this is like a bigger city for me as a Canadian, me as a German. I mean, it has like, I don't know, several hundred thousands of people, like 400,000 or something, I guess, maybe even more. And there's still like a lot of shops open, but there are less people depending on where I am. Where I'm heading right now, there's lots going on more. They still have stuff, but you can see like many people are gone for the time being. They are being back in a few days or 1 or 2 weeks. Oh, this, by the way, see behind me, this is like a store to my liking. Sweet stuff, bakery, look, delicious cake. Mm. I love them. My wife not so much, and don't love me eating too much of them. Cause she knows like it makes fat, but I mean, I just love sweet stuff. As you can see around me, still like a lot of stores closed. But guys, again, it's temporary. It's just cause it's Chinese New Year, and the stuff is gone. I mean, that's normal. You should see Shenzhen, Shanghai, Beijing. A lot of streets they are empty now because the people there are living there the whole year to make money, to work, or because they're in university. Beijing, it's a huge university city. By the way, did you know? I didn't until I came to China. So, so in Chinese, a huge population is actually students. And guess what they are doing in Chinese New Year? They go back home. The same thing what we do in Christmas. And that's why they have suddenly way less people there and all the shops are closing. One of the reasons is because they have less people. Like shops that are catering to students, they are closing because all the students are gone. It's the natural. I can't tell too much. My wife is a little bit sick and she's carrying the groceries. Clothing shop. Clothing shop, of course, still open because it's for women, you know, they still buy stuff. And of course, especially right in front of Chinese New Year, this is the time where people buy a lot of stuff. And I make later a video, I will show you there's like lots of beautiful stuff like fireworks and foods and everything. Packages, they are so beautiful. Like only China is doing this, and maybe America because America is very versed in commercial and commerce in advertising and marketing. I know it because I took marketing classes in the university in Canada, though. But I mean, it's similar, right? Okay, and we are getting close to the street, and well, I can show you around. See, this is the biggest city, and this panda right now, that is my wife, not a panda, my wife. Just wearing, this is normal in China. Many people are wearing those things. Oh, by the way, see over there, the street. This is what I'm talking about. Like they have there lots of where are we going already? Lots of stuff that is like for sale right now. Over there too. Not sure if you can see it very well. And I say goodbye from Jiangxi Nancheng. See you in the next one. Goodbye.